The main job for Lynx is protecting your home. Let's take a look. Security sensors installed on windows and doors detect an entry into your home. Inside the house, a motion detector senses the movement of a human intruder. And smoke detectors can also be installed to guard against the risk of fire. If Lynx detects an intruder, it sounds a loud warning tone and sends an emergency message to your central station. The central station is manned by trained professionals 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and their job is to notify the police or the appropriate response agency. With Lynx, you get all this security in a system you'll find really easy to use. The most important thing to remember about your Lynx system is the secret 4-digit security code, a code that's set up for you by your security dealer. For demonstration purposes on this video, we use the code 1234.
Disarmed. Ready to arm.